Hi folks, this is Bill. I'm at NomCon and we have some downtime. So we are playing with Christine Getman. Say hi, Christine.
Hello.
Hi. Christine Getman is playing with the XAC and Rocket League, and we've totally got her dialed in, right?
Yeah, we figured it out.
All right, hold on. We're gonna turn this around so you can watch. Maybe. Hi, Chuck. How are you? All right. So here's Christine. Now, Christine is using what's that? All right, you got to reset. So let me show you what you're using. So this is a little device I made. It's got a orientation sensor and a microcontroller, and she's using her head muscles to totally rock in Rocket League. Not quite totally rock, but she's playing adequately at there you go, at Rocket League using no hands, no fingers. Just getting some great neck exercise and therapy time. And so this is using the XAC controller that Microsoft put out and that Warfighter Engage worked. So Eric Johnson, say hi. Say hi. So she's very engaged. Let's get a picture of this here. All right, and we can put your head right in the middle. Look at that. Look at you. Totally rocking this. Get the ball, get the ball. I want to see you score. Oh, it's so close. Oh. So this is what we do at our conferences. We play video games in the booth. Oh. Yes, you're killing me a little bit slowly, but it's awesome. Oh. We just adjusted this, so it's not the machine anymore, right? This is all Christine. Need another coffee? You'd be all jittery. All right. So here's the Christine view. Let you lose. Oh, yeah, but you're doing so much better than Lori, and she's watching you too. So you're good. And it's I got to tell you, the controller's working for you, right? The fact that you suck at this game is independent of the fact that the controller is working. Yeah. All right. That's awesome. You want to watch? They want to watch you score. All right. There you go. You're resetting. There you go. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look. It's so close. Oh, that's not you? All right, it's not you? You sure? That's it. Now let it go. It's going to go in. Let it go. Don't hit the ball. Don't hit the ball. Don't hit the ball. Don't hit the ball. It's going to go in. Don't hit the ball. You're going to hit the ball. I know you're going to hit the ball. And... oh, what did you do? And you scored. You got it. Oh. There it goes. It's going to eventually make it in. This is awesome. And now, Christine, now be honest. How long did we spend tuning it to you? 3 minutes, maybe less. You need an hour, and then you'll be rocking the game. All right. Now, this is awesome. I'm glad everybody joined us. If you're in, she's playing Rocket League with her head. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah, right?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait.
So
What?
we are at NomCon. There's all kinds of crazy stuff you should come see if you're in Chattanooga. It's downtown. And glad you guys could join us. Let me see if there's any questions. I see Chuck and Lori. Hi. And let me wave back to them. Hi. And I'll see you all later. Bye. What's that? You hit the ball again. All right. Bye, guys.